Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm simply going to show you who liked your thread on Threads app. Now, if you just downloaded and installed the new Threads app created by Instagram Meta and you wanted to see who has liked your specific threads or anyone else's, you can always do that. So, without any further delay, let's start it. First of all, simply head towards your Threads mobile application. First of all, we'll check how to check who has liked someone else's thread. So, for that, you simply have to select any of the thread and tap on that. Now, here, as you guys can see that there is an option of view likes. So, go ahead and tap on that. After that, it will show you the list of all the persons who have liked this thread. So this was the easiest way to see who has liked this thread. If you'll go back, tap on your profile picture icon and tap on your own thread. Now here right now nobody has liked my thread, so it's not showing, it's just giving a red heart. It means that I have only liked my thread by on. So if someone else will like my thread, it will give me a notification and I'll get it by here named as heart. I'll get it by here in this category. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.